How to fix no sound problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix no sound problem on Android phone. First, then just scroll until you find apps and then click apps here again, and then just click this one here, this 4 points in top corner, and then click reset app preferences, and then click reset, and then go back and go to the storage, and click clean up, and click your phone, clean your phone cache here, this one, and then just restart your phone. And that's it, that's how to fix it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.